should be short of it. So nice that we were bringing.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Thank you.
I don't think we got 18 of the under the bond. Okay.
All right, everyone's present.
Thank you, officer. All right, wait, I'm looking at 18. Usually I should. Okay, we need to legal action. Okay. Sorry. Maybe able to get on the team. No, I need to figure that out. You're going to be able to hear that. No, we're going to do. If you want to start with that. I thought the prosecutor moved it down to the bottom. Thomas? Yeah. The prosecutor in the meeting? Yeah. No, we need to do the murder first. Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Good night.
All right, good afternoon. This is the 2 p.m. initial appearance calendar for March 25th, 2025. The court's order for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I am Commissioner Elizabeth Campbell. Persons are reminded that they have the right to remain silent, that anything they say can be used against them. Most of you have qualified for a court-appointed attorney. If you are not appointed an attorney, or even if you are, you may retain an attorney at your own expense. At the conclusion of the hearing, you will be provided with paperwork detailing any applicable orders to your case. I will be calling you each individually. We are going to start this morning with London Thomas. State, are you on the call?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
And after Mr. Thomas, we will be taking Salvador Ochoa if Mr. Ochoa would like to have a seat by the door. Mr. Thomas, will you please state your name for the record?
London Thomas.
Mr. Thomas, what is your date of birth?
October 26, 2005.
Okay. And Mr. Thomas, you are here today because you have been arrested on the charge of murder in the first degree, a class 1 felony. I have found probable cause for that violation. I am appointing you an attorney in this matter, and I am going to go ahead and set 2 hearings, the first on March 31st at 8:30 in the downtown Superior Court, and the second one on April 3rd at 8:30, also in the downtown Superior Court. State, would you like to be heard on the terms of release, if any?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Meyer, appearing on behalf of the state matter. Your Honor, a victim and this numerous times. In fact, police located at least 24 shell casings from 2 different weapons at the scene, which was the
And State, this is Commissioner Campbell. You keep cutting in and out. Can you try speaking up?
Yes, Your Honor. Is
Thank
that
you.
any better?
That is a lot better. Thank you.
Okay. Would you like me to start over?
Could you please start over?
Of course, Judge. Meyer, please, on behalf of the state, Your Honor, in this matter, the facts, according to the police, indicate that the victim, who was riding a bicycle, was shot numerous times on a residential street. And the suspect and his accomplice used 2 different weapons. Police located approximately 24 shell casings on the roadway from 2 different weapons. There was absolutely no reason for this shooting. This was not a robbery, but police, based on the evidence, believe that this may have been gang motivated, gang affiliated, due to a gang initiation on that evening. After the homicide, Your Honor, the suspect and his accomplice fled the area. They did not provide any type of aid for the victim, and a witness has indicated to police that the suspect and his accomplice slapped their hands together and stated 7th Street Crip, which indicates that this may have been gang affiliated. Additional indicia indicated that the suspect was wearing a blue shirt and blue shoes that night in January, and the accomplice had a blue bandana in his bedroom. In looking at the suspect's criminal history, he had a juvenile adjudication for criminal damage and was placed on probation in 2018 or 2019. Unrelated to this case, Your Honor, the suspect had been stopped for a traffic violation in August of 2024. During that traffic violation, the suspect failed to advise the police that he had a steel Glock 9mm pistol in his possession. And as police investigated further, it was learned that that particular firearm that was taken from the suspect in August of 2024 was linked to a shooting here in the Phoenix area in April of 2024. Based on the facts of this case, the danger that the suspect poses to the community, and the fact that he is a flight risk due to the amount of prison time he is facing, lifetime in prison or capital punishment, the state asks that an appropriate bond be set in the amount of $1.3 million cash only. Further, Your Honor, due to the ongoing investigation